Hello friends, welcome to my channel CBSE English. In today's video, we are going to learn how to evaluate answer sheets by using mobile. Students send the answer sheets in PDF format or JPG to our WhatsApp group or email or Google Drive. Let us see. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Friends, we need to install one application, that is XODO. So click on the Play Store, then type here XODO, XODO PDF Reader and Editor. Click on this. We need to install this application. After installing, open the application. The application screen will look like this. Here you can see down below right hand side plus sign is there. Click on the plus sign and four options will open: new PDF, PDF from image, PDF from documents and PDF from web page. So here where the file is there, you have to click. For example, PDF from image, if you click on this, so the file source is given here. You have to select the source where your file is there. Then PDF from documents, you have to select the source where the file is there. You can see on the upper side, left hand side, three lines are there. Click on this and here also you will find options to open your file. If your file is in Google Drive, you can open it. If your file is in the documents file, you can open it. So if you click on all documents, all files will be scanned by this application and you can open any file or your answer sheet file that is in PDF to evaluate it. Now one more thing is there. If you have received your file in WhatsApp, so open the WhatsApp and from directly WhatsApp you can open this PDF file into XODO application. How? You can see I have received this PDF file in this WhatsApp. So click on this. You need to open this file with XODO. The file will be opened in your application. Now our main intention is to evaluate the answer sheet using the application. Here sometimes what happens, the students, they cannot send the file properly. Sometimes horizontal, sometimes vertical. So here is one option to correct the files. This is view mode. Click on the view mode and you will have these options. Rotate clockwise. You can crop the pages also. Even in this view mode, single page mode, double page mode also you can see. Now see. Here you will see annotation toolbar. Click on the annotation toolbar. Here it says view read only and save a copy. Click on save a copy where you want to save the copy after correction, after evaluation. You can create a folder also, but local storage is okay, better. Select that. Copy is saving. And now here we have the copy in front of us. And the main process of evaluating starts here. So friends, now the main process of evaluating the answer sheet starts here. Click on this annotation toolbar. After clicking, you will get all these tools. Here three dots are there. From here, show fewer tools or show all tools, you will have the option. The main tool is here, this pen. You will get this pen in different colors. Generally, we use red pen. After clicking on this, you will see the thickness and capacity or the color you can choose. Using your two fingers, zoom the paper and start evaluating only by using your any finger. First, suppose the first answer is correct one. Correct it. Second one correct. Third also correct. Fourth also correct. Fifth also correct. 5 marks are there. You can write 5 marks out of 5. Second question, suppose the first answer is wrong, wrong. Second is wrong. Third is correct. Fourth is correct. Fifth is correct, whatever. So this question, 3 marks. So in this way, click on this tick mark. Okay. So first paper work is done. Now second paper. In the same way, click on the pen, choose the color, come back on the paper. You can zoom it, tick, wrong, whatever. And here Suppose something happens, you can undo this. Okay, click on this and go up. If in descriptive answers the line is suppose wrong, so you can underline that, underline this, click on this. If you want to note something, you can write here that spelling is wrong, spelling is wrong, or whatever, and save it. So after submission of this file, the student can see your notes. Then go back again to the pen, and again you can give 2 marks for this answer, and in this way evaluate the answer sheet. There are so many options you can see here, that here is eraser, here the signature also you can use. If you have the signature file installed in JPG format, you can put your signature at the end or before or the beginning of this answer sheet. So in this way, dear friends, it is very easy to evaluate the answer sheet. And after evaluating, as we have selected the output folder to save the file, it will automatically be saved. So in this way, you can evaluate the answer sheets or assignments submitted by the students in PDF file as well as JPG file. So easy. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please share it and like it. Thank you very much for watching.